Today I am reviewing HP 17-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a high-performance laptop that can handle business, development, creative projects, and entertainment, then the HP 17-inch touchscreen laptop is a standout option you should consider. Right out of the box, this laptop impresses with its sleek silver design, large 17.3-inch HD plus touchscreen display, and powerful specifications, making it a perfect blend of productivity and versatility. Let's start with the processor, which is at the heart of any laptop's performance. This model comes equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 7 255U processor, featuring 12 cores and 14 threads, with a maximum clock speed of 4.8 GHz. This is paired with a built-in NPU capable of 12 TOPS for AI acceleration. What does that mean in real terms? Essentially, this laptop can handle multitasking like a champ, from heavy office applications to AI-based workloads, data analysis, and even content creation. You'll notice smooth performance whether you're juggling spreadsheets, running multiple apps, or streaming media. Memory and storage are just as impressive. With 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB PCIe SSD, this laptop ensures blazing fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and massive storage capacity. You'll rarely, if ever, run into performance slowdowns, even with demanding workloads. The DDR5 memory, being significantly faster than DDR4, enhances overall responsiveness and future-proofs your laptop for the next few years. Meanwhile, the 2TB SSD ensures instant boot times, rapid file access, and plenty of room for your files, software, games, and multimedia content. The 17.3-inch touchscreen display deserves its own spotlight. With HD plus resolution and anti-glare coating, it's perfect for both work and entertainment. The screen is bright, responsive, and ideal for multi-touch tasks, whether you're annotating documents, creating presentations, or simply browsing. Coupled with audio by Poly Studio, your videos, calls, and media playback will sound crisp and immersive, enhancing the overall experience. One of the standout productivity features is the backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad. Typing in low-light environments is easy and comfortable, while the dedicated Copilot key provides quick access to AI tools, helping you speed up tasks and streamline workflows. The laptop also includes a privacy shutter for the webcam, giving you extra security and peace of mind during video calls. Connectivity options are robust. You get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, along with a USB-C port with power and display support, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 1.4b, and a headphone/mic combo jack. This means you can easily connect to external displays, transfer data at high speeds, and enjoy reliable wireless connections for both work and play. The HP 17-inch laptop also comes with Windows 11 Pro, offering advanced security, productivity features, and a smooth, user-friendly interface. Plus, a complimentary accessory kit adds value, giving you extra convenience and protection right out of the box. In summary, the HP 17-inch touchscreen laptop is an exceptional choice for anyone who wants power, versatility, and productivity in one device. Whether you're a professional, developer, student, or content creator, this laptop provides a premium experience with AI acceleration, huge memory and storage, and a responsive touchscreen. It's built to handle anything you throw at it, making it a smart long-term investment. If you're looking for a laptop that combines cutting-edge technology, large screen real estate, and productivity-enhancing features, the HP 17-inch touchscreen laptop is definitely worth considering.